Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you guys are new. Today we're making some yummy French toast, which is super easy and simple to make and our family loves, so let's get started. And the ingredients that you'll need are some eggs, ground cinnamon, vanilla extract, salt, butter, brown sugar, almond milk, regular milk can work too, and of course some bread. And I like to use the Nature's Own thick slice white bread. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna crack 3 eggs. To my eggs, I'm going to add a half a cup of almond milk. And 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. And a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Next, I'm going to put a dash of salt, and last, a few drops of vanilla extract. And now it's time to mix it all up, and I'm just going to use a fork for this. If this is your first time here, then welcome. I am so glad that you are here. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. So before you leave, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up if you're excited for some French toast. So I just plugged in my griddle, you guys, and I love using this, especially for French bread. So easy to use, and my mixture is right over here, all mixed up, and of course I have my bread right next to it. And I'm about to soak the bread into the mixture. And of course, if you don't have a griddle, you can always use your stovetop. Put a little butter on your pan, and it will come out just as perfect. So I'm setting my griddle on medium, and I'm gonna put a little bit of butter on it and just spread it around. I'm going to try to do this with one hand. So usually I just grab the slice of bread and I dip it right inside, and then I flip it.
Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol.
So these are going to be for the kids. I'm going to quickly put them on top of each other and cut them into quarters. And I'm going to use a little bit of maple syrup and drizzle it on top. And the kids love eating this with fruit, so I'm going to put a little bit of strawberries and blueberries onto their plates.
Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que...
I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe so I can catch you guys in the next video. Bye!
Dame tu amor, tu amor, tu amor. Dame tu amor.